बाबर आजम इज बैक। ये रिडेम्पशन आर्क शुरू हो गया है। पीएसएल की औकात दिखाने वाली चीज है।
Fingers crossed.
In the last PSL season, Babar shat the bed. Okay? And the one thing that he actually did conquer in this PSL season was spin bowling. He missed out on a record. Babar Azam is level with Fakhar Zaman on 588 runs.
Did the people fail Babar Azam or did Babar Azam fail the people?
It's a combination of both, I believe.
I agree. Misbah ul Haq ने एक technical deficiency ठीक की उसकी. Babar was chasing the slogs and he was losing shape while doing that.
I believe कि उससे बेहतर T20 batters हैं at this moment. You haven't just tried them yet.
पर फरहान की क्यों टीम में जगह बनती है अगर बाबर की नहीं बनती?
He's been in this rich vein of form.
Yeah, he's been prolific.
He was Pakistan's best batter in the T20 World Cup.
And what about Babar Azam's captaincy in this PSL?
He was really good.
On point, man.
He was really good.
However, even if he has never captained better, you shouldn't make him captain again.
Who is captain then?
एक नाम साद ने भी
आपका
recently
record
float किया
scorer
था.
है.
Saad floated a name in one of the podcasts that we did, and that name was of Shan Masood.
If Babar retired tomorrow, would his career be bigger than Inzamam's? Miyadad,
No.
Saeed Anwar.
मियादाद तो इंजी से भी ऊपर है.
So Miyadad, Saeed Anwar, Inzamam से तो ऊपर नहीं है ना?
Depends on formats. I think Test cricket में मियादाद and Yunus Khan not a lot separates those two.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to another episode of How Does It Work, a podcast by Pro Pakistani. We have from our local studio Saad and Biram joining us today from Pro Sports.
Hello.
Good to have you guys as always. Been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Always a pleasure and good to be back.
Yeah.
Good to be on the show.
यार PSL से भी पहले बाबर आजम से शुरू करते हैं because really that's what everybody wants to talk about.
Babar.
अच्छा जी, बाबर आजम इज बैक। ये रिडेम्पशन आर्क शुरू हो गया है। ये एक PSL की औकात दिखाने वाली चीज है।
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, I mean, look, लोग काफी ये बोलेंगे, they will make a case कि PSL में standard of competition उतना नहीं है and Babar has bossed the PSL before, but I can counter that by saying that in the last PSL season, Babar shat the bed. ठीक है? And the one thing that he actually did conquer in this PSL season was spin bowling. So, he missed out on a record. Babar Azam is level with Fakhar Zaman on 588 runs, which is the most amount of runs scored in a single PSL season by a batter. But 325 of those 588 runs came versus spin bowling. And that is his weakness. He gets stuck versus spin.
Achilles heel है उसकी.
बिल्कुल.
अगर जिस तरह आपने वर्ल्ड कप में भी देखा हो, whenever spin bowling used to come, he used to get stuck.
And those 325 runs have come at an average of 81 and he's struck at 156. Overall, he's averaged 73.5 and he's struck at 146. तो आप फर्क देख लें.
Yeah.
Versus spin, he's fared better and that is new. And I feel like that deserves to be talked about.
लेकिन मेरा एक इस पे argument आ जाता है. I always like to play the devil's advocate. The quality of spin bowling जो उसने face किया, क्योंकि the best spinner was in his own team. He
Yeah.
didn't say face Sufyan Muqeem.
Well, I'll play devil's advocate as well. One particular wrist spinner who's troubled him a lot in the past is Adam Zampa. And he did well versus Adam Zampa.
माइकल ब्रेसवेल के अगेंस्ट भी काफी ज्यादा आउट हुआ वो
Yeah,
वो भी उसकी टीम में
वो
था.
भी उसकी टीम में था.
तो ये है
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर मैं इसमें ही आर्गुमेंट करूं, does it matter कि he didn't make runs in the final? Does that?
No.
No.
That doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter at all.
No, he scored a qualifier ton. ठीक है? And in the 200s that he scored, एक में फिर caveats हैं. When he scored his qualifier 100, he had a quick start. He was 37 of 22 in the power play. Got to his 50 and 38 deliveries. Slow down आया, जो कि apparently intentional है from what we've heard of him.
लेकिन फिर अगली 19 balls पे 50 आई.
Yeah, 57
So
ball 100.
acceleration भी थी वहाँ पे.
And even though that is a bigger 100 in terms of context, the previous 100, the group stages one, that came off 52 deliveries in which he faced a single dot.
एक dot ball.
That is quite remarkable.
That's impressive.
Yeah, तो उसकी तारीफ तो बनती है.
How much of this is down to उसके आसपास क्या हो रहा था कि मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल हमेशा बाबर फैंस की एक डिबेट रही है कि बाबर की जो पीक एरा था उसमें आपने साथ उसके रिजवान रखा, आपने 2 एंकर्स खिला दिए, वो जो टीम कॉम्पोजिशन थी उसको सूट नहीं करती. ऑब्वियसली पिछले वर्ल्ड कप में भी बैटिंग एट अ पोजीशन दैट डिडंट सूट हिम लोअर डाउन द ऑर्डर. एक आर्ग्यूमेंट हमेशा ये पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट में रहेगी कि क्या did the people fail Babar Azam or did Babar Azam fail the people?
It's a combination of both, I
Yeah,
believe.
I agree.
जहाँ पे obviously environment and all of that matters, और पाकिस्तान में तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा मैटर करता है, और इस तरह के प्लेयर्स का आपको ख्याल रखना पड़ता है. उस तरह का ख्याल नहीं रखा गया था बाबर आजम का, लेकिन इस पे इसकी अपनी गलती भी आती है बिकॉज काफ़ी ज़्यादा कोचेज और काफ़ी ज़्यादा इधर उधर से सुना भी ये गया कि he just refused to change his ways of playing.
He's known to be a bit stubborn from what we've heard.
इस दफा नहीं नजर आया.
Yeah, well, the environment did suit him. ठीक है? Otis Gibson freed him up. He told him कि Babar, go do what you've been doing for 15 years. You know how to play.
Misbah ul Haq.
Misbah ul Haq ने एक technical deficiency ठीक की उसकी. Babar was chasing the slogs and he was losing shape while doing that. And he was losing shape in his front shoulder in particular. वो चीज उसकी ठीक की.
This is all misbah, by the way, जो उसने बताया.
This is all misbah, by the way. हाँ. और दूसरी बात ये कि whilst I agree कि he's known to be a bit stubborn, आप ये भी देखो कि we've seen so many chairmen and coaches and captains and all of that change. तो बहुत ही volatile, unstable environment भी रहा है. So अगर let's suppose you hire someone to coach Sadhan Behram. If you remove that person after 2 months and hire another one, तो कोई किस तरह impact डाल सकता है? You need to build relationships over time and build that trust factor. तो ये भी एक angle है कि बाबर बेचारे को उस तरह का environment नहीं मिला. However, I will also agree in modern day cricket, the incentive is on a player to upskill. And T20 cricket is on steroids now, right? It has transformed at a rapid rate. It's a new sport altogether. Scoring rates have increased tenfold. Tenfold is an exaggeration, but you get the drift.
Significantly.
So, how did you not get the memo earlier? अब आइए performance ठीक है, you struck at 146, which we'll take for Babar Azam because he's still an anchor / accumulator, जो भी आप कह लो. But at least he's looking more proactive, both versus spin and both with respect to upping the ante. However, he needs a certain kind of setup, like you said. You pair him up with the likes of 2 fast batters on either side. यहाँ पे हारिस और कुशाल मेंडिस थे on either side. That setup worked for him.
तो मेरा यही आर्गुमेंट है कि जो लोग कहते हैं कि यार नहीं, you shouldn't revolve your team around बाबर और बाबर should be the same as everybody else. जिस तरह हमने sort of इस्लामाबाद यूनाइटेड वे पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट अभी माइक हैसन के साथ हमने खेली, उसमें फिर उसका रिवर्स आर्गुमेंट ये आता था. आई बिलीव 6 out of the 10 जो सेंचुरीज बनी हैं या जितनी भी हैं इन PSL में से मेजोरिटी किसकी हैं? बाबर और फ़खर की हैं. 6 out of 10, राइट? अगर आपको इससे बेहतर बैट्समैन मिल नहीं रहा और अगर आपको इससे बेहतर चीज़ नहीं मिल रही, इवन दिस PSL इज एन एग्जांपल. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि बाबर वाज द प्रॉब्लम एंड एवरीबडी एल्स इज फ्रीली स्कोरिंग. पाकिस्तानियों की अगर मैं बात करूं, अगर वो है ही आपका बेस्ट प्लेयर, तो देन इज द आर्गुमेंट फेयर कि वी शुड हैव बिल्ट द टीम अराउंड हिम?
या देखो, टीम कंस्ट्रक्शन के 2-3 डिफरेंट तरीके हैं, राइट? कोई कहेंगे कि बाबर आजम को नहीं होना चाहिए, जिस तरह आई एम प्रोबेबली इन दैट कैंप राइट नाउ. यू सेट अप अ डिफरेंट वे. अब if you want to win a match, तो एक तरीका नहीं होता है. टीम कंस्ट्रक्शन का एक तरीका.
तो why are you against
multiple ways to skin a cat?
Because I believe कि उससे बेहतर T20 batters हैं at this moment. You haven't just tried them yet. Bring in Maaz Sadakat, pair him with Saibzada Farhan. Try that for a while. Babar Azam, I love you. I think ODIs और Test cricket में अभी उसको जितनी लंबी रोप दे सकते हो दो. T20s में I think the game has moved on a bit. 146 strike rate would be great for Babar Azam. 146 strike rate for any other batter in any other team in any other country wouldn't be as much.
That's a very valid point. और also इसमें ये बात बहुत ख्याल रखने वाली है कि even if we assume that Babar is selected for the T20I squad again and he is set to open, you cannot pair him up with Saibzada Farhan. You cannot have 2 of those same guys.
तो फिर वही टीम कंस्ट्रक्शन वाली बात आ जाती है ना. You can't put him with Saibzada Farhan who strikes at a similar rate. Dot ball percentage काफी ज्यादा है, वहां पे फंस सकते हो.
वो मारता ज्यादा है मगर डॉट ज्यादा खेलेगा.
Then you pair him up with Maaz Sadakat and Usman Khan और मोहम्मद आरिस या जो भी जिनका स्ट्राइक रेट सिग्निफिकेंटली ज्यादा है.
पर फरहान की क्यों टीम में जगह बनती है अगर बाबर की नहीं बनती?
He's been in this rich vein of form.
He's been prolific.
He was Pakistan's best batter in the T20 World Cup.
He did a carry job in the T20 World Cup, and on what basis can you remove him? He had a successful PSL season as well. 2 back-to-back successful PSL seasons. In 2 years, Saibzada Farhan has scored 9 T20 tons. Babar Azam has scored 13 in his entire career. So, argument तो है.
And what about Babar Azam's captaincy in this PSL?
He was really good.
On point, man.
He was really good.
He's never captained better.
हम यही बात कर रहे थे.
Bowling changes, really, really good. Field placements, really
amazing.
good. General leadership of men, rallying of troops, really good. Everyone backed him. The whole team was behind him. However, even if he has never captained better, you shouldn't make him captain again.
क्योंकि मेरा अगला सवाल ये होने वाला था
उसकी स्माइल से पता चल गया
एक होल वापस आ गया है. और I don't know if you guys saw ARY की थी पॉडकास्ट शायद जिस पे आगा आया हुआ था. Very, I really liked it. Very human. मतलब वो बता रहा था कि उसने what he thought he was doing wrong, what very, but you could tell a guy who's not really confident in wanting to stay captain. ठीक है. एक आर्गुमेंट शादाब किया गया, डोंट गो देयर.
No, let's not.
जिसको उसको काट देते हैं. ठीक है. शादाब डजंट नीड टू बी इन दिस.
Nip that in the bud.
हाँ, ठीक है. Who is captain then?
सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क.
Yeah.
एक बंदा अभी PSL जीता है.
एक नाम साद ने भी
आपका
recently
record
float किया
scorer
था.
है.
Saad floated a name in one of the podcasts that we did, and that name was of Shan Masood. And it's incredible that Shan Masood is back in the conversation because he had a ridiculously good PSL.
He did.
वो इसलिए बात कर रहे थे हम क्योंकि 4 पे आई थिंक शान मसूद इस वक्त आ सकता है टीम में.
Yeah.
आए या ना आए वो एक अलग बात है. कैप्टनसी तो है मतलब.
Do you think Shan Masood
I don't
is a
know.
better captain in T20 internationals than Babar Azam?
He hasn't captained ever.
Yeah, he's going to captain T20s. But I do think that Shan Masood has got a more intelligent cricketing brain than Babar Azam.
But if Babar's doing this Behram,
Yeah.
then फिर क्या आर्गुमेंट आप लेके आ सकते हो?
खैर हाँ तुम्हारी बात भी ठीक है.
कि सबसे बड़ा बाबर आजम का टीम में होना या ना होना, कौन से प्लेयर्स खेलने हैं नहीं खेलने, उससे सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क ये है कि कैप्टन कौन होना है.
बिल्कुल
कोई ऑब्वियस आंसर नहीं हो.
नहीं, there is no clear leader who
Right
can-
now आपके पास क्या है? शान मसूद चलो एक आउटसाइड ऑप्शन
Right now आपके
एकदम
पास
ही है.
ये
शाहीन
I don't know man, I'm not sold. He's really you know
ओडीआई का कैप्टन
और जब हम in the past भी when in doubt make Babar captain, that is the
थर्ड टाइम लकी में भी.
हाँ.
thing with Shaheen
और
is that-
बाबर भी हमेशा ले भी लेता है, उसको शौक है.
यार वो मैं अभी हम भी पॉडकास्ट कर रहे थे तो उसमें मैंने बोला था कि आई वोंट ब्लेम एनी प्लेयर. अगर किसी भी इंटरनेशनल टीम की कैप्टनसी मिल रही है ना, आप तो लोगे.
दूसरा शाहीन has really
100%
dropped
लोगे.
off big time because death में तो he's a liability. Or this needs to be echoed, but Babar's successes need to be echoed as well. The issue is कि the one person who cannot captain Pakistan in the next T20 cycle, upcoming T20 cycle, is Salman Ali Aka.
हाँ, वो
That shouldn't happen.
वो तो उस
वो
बेचारे ने काइंड ऑफ खुद कह दिया है. मतलब अब वो तो हार मान चुका है ना, उसको तो बेचारे साइड पे करो.
I'd like to focus on ODIs.
हाँ.
And
Which he
that's
should. He's a fantastic ODI player. And I also have more expectation from Babar Azam in the longer formats. I want him to come back into form over there. Like, we're looking at someone who is one of Lahore's favorite sons, right? And he has finally had his moment in front of a packed home audience. And after, 3 years of proper turmoil, mental turmoil, तो finally वो कुछ अच्छी headspace में होगा. ये एक बहुत बड़ा positive है, because we know कि Babar Azam is not someone who has dealt well with pressure and fame. ठीक है? आप ये argument पेश कर सकते हो that not a lot of players in the past have had to experience this because social media didn't exist. And Babar is social media on steroids.
But like मतलब Shahid Afridi and मतलब the Pakistanis have experienced fandom
मिसबा
always.
से ज्यादा किसी ने नहीं फेस किया.
Fan clubs नहीं थे यार
Fan
तब.
club मतलब मिसबा divides
मिसबा
even today.
divided
I'm
opinion,
sure अगर हम
bro.
3 लोग हों, it will like down the center divide लड़ाई होगी. What we think of मिसबा, which is exactly what I wanted to talk about actually. अच्छा मैं उस दिन सोच रहा था, मैं अपने दोस्तों से एक आर्गुमेंट कर रहा था, so I thought I'd have it with you guys. ठीक है, अंडर अचीवर्स की, कि एक बंदा अपने टैलेंट से अचीव ओवर एंड अबव कर रहा है या नहीं, या अंडर अचीव कर रहा है. ठीक है, वुड इट बी फेयर टू से कि बाबर आजम अपने टैलेंट के मुताबिक एक वन ऑफ पाकिस्तान टॉप 3 अंडर अचीवर्स होगा?
I don't know about top 3, but he's definitely an underachiever. इसमें तो कोई शक नहीं है.
The good thing is he
Umar
still-
Akmal exists.
The good thing is he still has time on his side.
Yeah.
And
Mohammad Asif exists.
मोहम्मद आसिफ ने तो
नहीं, मोहम्मद आसिफ को नहीं मैं काउंट.
Separate हो गया ना वो मामला.
आसिफ आमिर को ऑब्वियसली नहीं काउंट करते. दैट्स नॉट अंडर अचीविंग, दैट्स मतलब अदर स्टफ है.
that's other
मतलब वो एक अलग दुनिया है. वो
उमर अकमल छोड़ ली.
उमर अकमल हो सकता है. हाँ.
बाबर आजम की गुड थिंग मैं यही कह रहा था, he's what 32 year old, right?
Yeah.
He still has time on his side.
अभी 32 का हुआ नहीं है. He'll turn 32 in November.
6-7
So you think अभी भी 3-4 साल 5 साल तो हैं?
उस दिन भी हम ये बात कर रहे थे और मैं कह रहा था कि he still has time on his side to become the greatest ODI batter from Pakistan side and one of the greatest test batters from
And
Pakistan side.
let's not forget that before this 3-year drought, Babar Azam experienced a peak which was phenomenal.
Unrivaled.
It was magnificent.
But don't
right?
you also think अब यहाँ पे
Underachieving
अंडर
है.
की आर्ग्यूमेंट आ जाती है कि मैं आपको मिसाल देता हूँ. लाइक आई थिंक to give you an example of an underachiever, Shoaib Akhtar, for all the talent that he had, is an underachiever because I feel like he could have done more with what he had.
I think he's done more than he could have because of the knees.
Body की वजह से.
What about Inzamam?
Inzi fulfilled his talent, but not in World Cups. After
He's
winning the
one of
World
the
Cup,
most gifted players you've ever seen.
Inzi की legacy में एक बहुत बड़ा धब्बा ये कि after winning the 92 World Cup and scoring that knock versus New Zealand in the semi-final, he flopped in every other World Cup.
Yeah.
बहुत बुरा वाला.
And
It was a no-show.
And natural talent तो कोई इंजी आज T20 भी खेल लेता. वो स्पिनर्स को
Inzi तब T20 खेल लेता.
मतलब वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, इंजमाम for his talent did he underachieve?
No, I think he achieved.
चलो फिर मुझे बताओ, what are your 3 underachievers of Pakistan cricket?
Umar Akmal is top spot,
ठीक है,
surely.
Umar Akmal's fair. That's a fair argument.
ठीक है. I would put Shaheen in there.
नहीं
Do you think he has the talent? Because यहाँ पे एक सवाल आ जाता है कि
Talent
आपको
तो
लगता है
था।
इतना talented है?
मगर फिर शाहीन को भी यार वो दूसरी टेरिटरी आ जाती है because he was also mismanaged with respect to workload management and all that stuff.
इंजरी भी
ठीक है,
शाहीन
खैर,
नहीं आ
it's
रहा
your three, so you go for it. So Umar Akmal,
Yeah, this is tough one.
Saki?
Saki
Saki was morally level.
Saki आ सकता है बिल्कुल।
हाँ, लेकिन drop off was also
बस वो I think उसका कंधा जाम हुआ और खत्म।
हाँ तो फिर वही बात आ जाएगी।
नहीं,
ये वही बात आ जाती है। बाबर की तो नहीं आई इंजरी।
हाँ, जिससे मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, like for example, like इंजमाम है, the reason मैं उसको underachiever डालूं, not because he didn't have the greatest career, it's because he had everything to have double that career,
Yeah.
in my opinion.
Thing is Babar now
And Babar,
has-
I think, is in the three.
Babar isn't there.
Babar हाँ could be 3 maybe.
Hopefully not though.
Yeah.
Hopefully
हाँ,
not.
We can
अभी
all
तक है।
hope and pray that this PSL season can prove to be a catalyst for Babar Azam to reignite his international career, which by the way 3 years ago was destined for greatness. I'll tell you a technical thing. In 2017, the pace playing pandemic started. The wobble seam delivery started to take over. Test cricket averages dropped. Kohli's average dropped. Steve Smith's average dropped. Azhar Ali का career मुक गया यार.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Babar Azam and weirdly Marnus Labuschagne, they both were undeterred. They were unfazed by the pace playing pandemic.
They got better.
हाँ, wobble seam era में उनके runs आते गए फिर इतना catastrophic drop off आया है एक तरह से दोनों का.
Almost at the same time.
Oh, very similar arcs if you think about it, right? बाबर की peak ज़्यादा शायद थोड़ी लंबी थी, but we
और
did not
obviously
expect
Babar
it.
was a better ODI player.
हाँ, by miles, ठीक है? We did not expect that to happen. Surely there is enough talent in there because इस बात पे तो हम सब सहमत है कि talent बहुत है. He is very naturally gifted.
Naturally gifted.
ठीक है?
It's one of the best batters I've seen for Pakistan. man.
Aesthetically pleasing,
Might
technically
be
solid.
like इंजमाम के बाद, like Saeed Anwar इंजमाम in terms of technically better.
I think he
सईद भाई के लिए तो अलग प्यार है ना।
I think he didn't even know how to fix what was wrong. हुआ ये है. I think Babar probably lacked that bit क्योंकि जो great players होते हैं ना, slump सबका आता है. They find a way to come back. Yunus Khan, Kumar Sangakkara's been there. Sachin had a batch in between. Kohli भी end में आकर वापस हो आ गया ना. Like right now ODI cricket में कोहली ने नहीं मचाई हुई है.
If Babar retired tomorrow, would his career be bigger than Inzamam's? Miyadad,
No.
Saeed Anwar.
मियादाद तो इंजी से भी ऊपर है.
हाँ, so Miyadad, Saeed Anwar, इंजमाम से तो ऊपर नहीं है ना.
Depends on formats. I think Test cricket में मियादाद and Yunus Khan not a lot separates those two.
इसी पे मैं आने चलो उन तीनों को साइड पे किया. Is he better than Yusuf? Overall, his career?
Test cricket में नहीं.
Overall career. You have to
Overall
take
career.
everything into account.
Yusuf didn't win anything either. Yusuf had that year.
Technically,
though.
Babar won a Champions Trophy.
Technically he did. Yusuf,
Technically need उसने score भी किया था।
Yusuf did
He
have
was the worst.
one.
Him
was a
and
kid.
Imad were horrible. Yeah.
He was a kid though.
Yusuf has set a record which might be broken someday, but it'll be tough. वो most runs in a calendar year in Test cricket, so he has that as a big chunk of his legacy. Fluid वो भी था, but I think Babar.
ODIs में बाबर भी तेरे टेस्ट में यूसुफ भी
Yeah.
तेरा।
So who would you
Take
pick?
your pick.
Take your pick. No,
I take
I'm
Yusuf.
asking the question.
I take Yusuf because I rate Test cricket a bit highly.
मसला ये आ जाता है ना टेस्ट क्रिकेट में जो परफॉर्मेंसेस होती हैं वो
So then you
करती हैं
take
अगर-
Yunus over him as well.
For instance,
I take that's a tough one. टेस्ट में तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है
हाँ,
लेकिन
हाँ।
ओडीआई में इतना शिट था यूनुस खान।
ODI में तो
इतना
comparison.
You have to
shit था
pick one,
यूनुस
ना?
खान।
उतना ही बड़ा गैप है टेस्ट और ओडीआईज में, बट फ्लिप इट.
यार शाम यहाँ में मसला आता है हम हमेशा फॉर्मेट में
These are all different sports.
Yeah,
Remember,
of course. Yeah.
इट्स अ डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट में कब से जब से पॉडकास्ट हमारा शुरू हुआ 3 साल हो गए हर एक को ये समझा रहा हूँ
It
These
is.
are different
It's a
sports.
different category. But my question in this case is because modern cricket is becoming more and more different, it's becoming harder to compare. लेकिन अब compare तो हम करेंगे because that's what the fun
नहीं,
is.
उसमें डिफरेंस आ जाता है ना chasing down 300 in an ODI I take Babar over Yunus
But if
every
you-
day of the week
if you
maybe
talk about who the better-
over Yusuf as well
yeah, if you talk about who the better batter is, again, because Yunus is arguably, if not Miyadad, he's the best Test batter to ever play for Pakistan.
he's the best
Because he scored 10,000 runs. Yunus Khan, only Pakistan batter to score 10,000 runs. And also he scored 100 everywhere he's played. Only batter in history to do so. World over.
बहुत different records are
Miyadad never averaged below 15 Test cricket. That's a killer record to have, right? तो उन दोनों में 19-20 का फर्क है. You pick your poison. आप जिस चीज को ज्यादा वैल्यू करते हो वो आपके लिए बेस्ट हो
and I
जाएगा.
always value test cricket
मगर
above
test-
everything else
So would Misbah be better than Babar if you value Test cricket above everything else?
यार यहाँ पे टेक्निकल हो गया
ये ज्यादा technical हो गया.
टेक्निकल हो गया नहीं बाबर का इतना बुरा रिकॉर्ड
मगर
मिसबा का बहुत अच्छा रिकॉर्ड
मिसबा की लेगेसी
बहुत
कैप्टनसी
अच्छा
में भी है.
record.
Captaincy में भी है.
हाँ, टेस्ट क्रिकेट में खास
मतलब
तौर पे.
नहीं अगर तू कह रहा है मुझे
अगर
कि तू वैल्यू
captaincy
करता है
भी-
टेस्ट क्रिकेट ओवर एवरीथिंग
अगर-
एल्स
अगर
तो
captaincy
मिसबा
भी-
एज अ टेस्ट कैप्टन
अगर कैप्टनसी ला रहे हो तो ऑब्वियसली
हाँ, बट बैटिंग
it's a
में
package, right?
बाबर इज अ बेटर बैटर.
I take Misbah ahead of many of the greats.
हैं
Yeah. But as a batter,
Because वो जो टाइम था ना वहां से और कोई नहीं निकाल सक रहा था.
हाँ,
Yeah,
अच्छा,
Misbah, bro.
spot fixing.
वो बहुत
Proper controversy में team embroil हुई है. Misbah comes on as captain. No controversy and ultimately leads you to number 1.
and a great ambassador.
For 2 minutes, you held that mace. ठीक है?
is Misbah an overachiever?
Yes. Misbah is an overachiever.
100%.
Would he be in the top 3 overachievers in Pakistan cricket?
Azhar Ali भी है.
Azhar Ali भी है,
रिजवान का टैलेंट उस लिहाज पे नहीं है जितना उसने किया
Rizwan
है.
was always a busy player. He's lost that. So Rizwan seems like he's got the soul sucked out of him, man.
I'd probably say Misbah is the biggest overachiever in Pakistan cricket. Talent नहीं था Misbah.
Misbah might be. Yeah.
Because of that captaincy reign यार बहुत underrate करते
Do you
हैं.
think
अगर
Fakhar Zaman is an overachiever or an underachiever?
Apt. Underachiever in T20s.
नहीं, but his technique is not great. But when he's on fire, he's on fire.
Technique is overrated.
Like,
these
I don't know.
days.
I don't
White
know.
balls.
है क्या?
his hand-eye coordination
Yeah,
is
it's
so
just-
strong. His
So then give me your
ability to
3
handle pressure is so
overachievers. Number 1 Misbah.
Misbah number 1. यार overachiever.
Azhar Ali को डालो इसमें.
Azhar Ali भी
Azhar Ali was a wrist spinner, man. You know, and
Fair
he
enough.
became.
ठीक-ठाक career निकाल के.
He is
अच्छा
one of
खासा career.
Pakistan's best number 3s. Azhar Ali और असद शफीक का कंपैरिजन होता था. आप उनकी बैटिंग पोजीशन देखो. Azhar Ali is fed to the wolves. Number 3 बहुत टफ बैटिंग पोजीशन है. 6 पे तो बैटिंग करना आसान है. बॉल पुरानी हो गई भी.
और कौन है वैसे कोई बॉलर नहीं है जो overachieve किया हो जिसने.
बॉलर्स आमतौर पे अंडर अचीव करते हैं क्योंकि इंजरी खा जाती है.
बॉलर कौन होगा जो underachieve किया?
आकिब ओवर अचीव्ड मे बी.
आके टॉप 3 में तो नहीं आ.
टॉप 3 में
शान
मुश्किल
मसूद?
आता है. शान मसूद
टॉप 3 में नहीं आता
Like
लेकिन
a talented आदमी तो नहीं, as in-
he
He's a hard-working,
Yeah.
solid guy.
Exactly, वो प्रोफेशनलिज्म पे जीतता है.
Yeah.
Yunus Khan is a great one.
Yeah, I think यूनुस खान से इतनी उम्मीद नहीं थी किसी को कि वो 50 प्लस एवरेज करके 10,000 रन मार
Yeah,
देगा.
fair enough.
Hundreds
वो आता
everywhere.
है टॉप 3 में.
Yeah.
Yeah.
वो वाला टैलेंट नहीं था क्योंकि अगर वो ओडीआई नंबर कंपेयर करो तो उसमें भी अच्छा होना चाहिए.
तो अभी ये कर लो मिसबाह यूनुस अजहर.
हाँ और फिर रिजवान को डाल दो चौथे पे.
Rizwan I think aptly achieved. If anything he
नहीं,
dropped off.
I don't think so.
I think he dropped
But
off.
he didn't have the talent, right?
More
Like,
was expected.
मतलब with the bat especially. With the bat, no one thought कि वो इतनी
He
career
was a
निकाल
great
लेगा.
wicket keeper लेकिन बैटर
A bit limited as a batter, but he really knew his zones and he was very busy. Up to he is a
That's
dot machine.
I think that's how he overachieved. नहीं
Yeah.
कि limited zones में इतने ज्यादा रन मार लिए.
ये भी अच्छा है. वो है खैर कीपर तो एक्सेप्शनल है ना.
वो तो है.
One of the best gloves Pakistan has ever had.
No question.
ठीक है बहुत क्रेजी है वो. इज अ लाइव वायर और फॉक्स पे हैंड्स
used to be.
used to be sure. It's unfortunate. At least Babar Azam is enjoying his cricket again. Rizwan, it doesn't seem like he is. He was that chirpy, happy fellow who would lift the spirits of his teammates. वो नजर ही नहीं आता अब. He looks like a shadow of his former self, man.
I think रिजवान का ये भी था ना कि he came into the Pakistan team when he was like as in when he started batting well, red hot form में था, they all loved him. वो drop off is probably जो मैं overachieve की बात कर रहा हूँ probably down to what his batting standard is.
Yeah,
I don't think उसका batting standard कभी उस level पे
भाई वो
था.
उस लेवल का प्लेयर नहीं था मगर वो इतना बुरा भी नहीं था. is what I'm trying to say.
लेकिन इतना अच्छा भी नहीं था जो उसकी पीक आई थी यार T20 में.
मगर वो एक दौर
Unbelievable था.
Pakistan were successful as a T20 side up until T20 cricket hadn't changed. You accumulate with Babar and Rizwan and you go berserk in the last 10 overs. This modus operandi is outdated. It doesn't work anymore.
But do you think उस वक्त रिजवान से बेहतर ऑप्शंस थी
नहीं.
बैटर्स में होंगी.
शर्जील का बैन आया था.
वो तो अलग
ठीक है. और उसके बाद आपके पास एक वॉइड था. ठीक है जो कि ODIs में आपका फिल कर दिया फखर जमान.
Yeah.
T20s के अंदर फखर एंड बाबर हैड अ डिसेंट पार्टनरशिप.
और उसके बाद फखर को ओपन नहीं करवाया bro.
या ये जुल्म किया वैसे.
तो
फखर जमान really should have
फखर
opened.
should have
फिर
opened.
उस लिहाज से तो रिजवान did overachieve.
But you
with
couldn't also
limited
drop
talent.
फखर क्योंकि रिजवान है मतलब फॉर्म में था उस टाइम पे.
You couldn't change him ना इसीलिए overachieve.
overachieve.
आते थे.
Also, Babar and Rizwan were stubborn with respect to their approach and the way they play.
Yeah.
Babar might have turned a corner. अभी देखने को और
अभी
मिलेगा.
देखेगा अभी टेस्ट.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, of course. But I am willing to give him his flowers for this PSL.
हाँ, he was
मेरे
ready.
ख्याल से अगर किसी ने अच्छा किया उसको सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हो आप यार.
इस PSL में बेस्ट बैटर था इसमें
Yeah.
कोई डाउट नहीं है.
But let's agree, Babar miles ahead. लेकिन in terms of the other talents, जो हमारा generational talent का जिसका मैं बात करना भी चाह रहा था, in terms of Hassan Nawaz.
Oh my God. So, do you know why Shan Masood is in the conversation in the first place?
Because of
Hassan Nawaz, his USP was supposed to be middle over spin basher, courtesy of Quetta Gladiators. शुरू में तो opener था वो. Quetta kind of, transformed his career or his role, and he came into Pakistan's team as a middle over spin basher and did well.
Yeah.
Do you know what Hassan Nawaz's strike rate is in his first 10 balls playing spin in this PSL? Run a ball. 100 का strike rate. You've lost your USP? आपकी तो वो जो एक चीज थी जिसकी वजह से आप वैल्यूबल थे वो खत्म हो गई है. So,
In comparison,
जैसे हाँ मैं कह रहा हूँ तो
130.
शान की कितनी है?
Shan scored 367 runs in this PSL at an average of 46 and he struck at like 158. Versus spin, he scored the bulk of his runs, 220 I believe. He averaged 55 and his strike rate was 158. So he actually was the best middle overs spin basher in this PSL and this is my favorite version of Shan Masood, of which we have seen many.
और first 10 balls में भी उसका
136.
136 था
136
compared
था.
to Hassan Nawaz
Yeah.
100.
He took down spin for fun this PSL season and religiously.
पर यार एक आर्गुमेंट कर रहा हूँ तुम दोनों से यार, हम हमेशा अब हम शान को वापस डालें, शुडंट वी गो फॉर यंग ब्लड? ठीक है, हसन नवाज यू राइट, मे बी उसकी परफॉर्मेंस शान से बेहतर नहीं थी, लेकिन यू आर बैंकिंग ऑन अ 10-year career that lies ahead versus somebody who may have had his day in the sun, right?
I can't keep my faith or have any sort of faith in a slow starter in this day and age. And he's turned into a slow starter all of a sudden.
That also depends now. Do you want a 10-year career or do you want to win the trophy in 2 years?
Exactly. And Shan was a top scorer in Australia in
Do you want the
2022.
trophy in 2 years?
अच्छा,
You play your
realistically,
best
do you think
batters in
we
form.
can win a trophy in 2 years?
No,
So then
But
why
you
not
have to
plan
set
for the
your-
future?
I don't know, man.
अब फ्यूचर में और गेम आगे निकल गई तो क्या किधर
अगर
बैठे
आप शान को ये रोल दे दो जो मुल्तान ने दिया कि यू आर आवर मिडिल ओवर स्पिन बैशर एंड ही इज समवन हु कॉन्स्टेंटली रीइन्वेंट्स हिमसेल्फ थ्रू आउट हिज करियर. हम प्रोफेशनलिज्म को क्यों लिंक करते हैं शान मसूद के साथ? क्योंकि वर्क एथिक सॉलिड है. ही कंटिन्यूज टू फाइंड न्यू वेज टू स्टे रेलेवेंट.
continues to evolve.
No, agree.
ठीक है?
इसमें तो कोई शक नहीं.
Evolution उसकी constant है और ये वाले रोल में I mean this is my favorite version of him because I don't think I've ever been this impressed ever.
Yeah.
मतलब I thought that Shan Masood would be a weak link in Multan Sultans. He turned out to be one of their greatest strengths. That is incredible.
But to go with the Hassan Nawaz thing, I mean, अगर आप एक बच्चे को कुछ महीने पहले आगा का इंटरव्यू था ना जिसमें उसने कहा था कि अगर मैंने हसन नवाज को, मोहम्मद हारिस को इनको प्लेयर ना बनाया तो मैं फेल हो गया हूँ एज ए लीडर और हम सब फेल हो गए.
तो हो गया फेल
तो हो गया. लेकिन पॉइंट ये है कि अगर उस लेवल पे इनका टैलेंट रेट हुआ जा रहा है और हमने जिस तरह साइम को पता नहीं कितना टाइम दे दिया.
70 T20s?
हाँ T20s में उतना टाइम नहीं दिया, टेस्ट में दिया, टेस्ट में ज्यादा टाइम दिया उसे.
70 T20 आइस खेल गया
है नहीं,
साइम
साइम अयूब की बात हो रही है. सॉरी मैं शान मसूद
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि साइम को अगर हमने इतना टाइम दिया कि जी हमारा टैलेंट है ये बड़ा है, तो हसन नवाज को अब टाइम तो देना पड़ेगा ना.
I think you need talent along with a little bit of maturity and I don't see a lot of that.
यार एक्चुअली गलती हसन नवाज के साथ या उसने अपने साथ की है या उसके साथ जो हुई है ना वो ही थी. अभी नेशनल T20 कप खेल रहा था ये और वहां पे उसको कोच ने बोला यार टेक योर टाइम इन द मिडल. वो ये नहीं करता था, वो आते के साथ ही मारता था. तुम आउट हो रहे हो, तुम टाइम लो अपना, तो वो 2 ओवर वैसे ही निकाल जाता है.
Even on
I've
his
seen him on 10 runs of 12 balls multiple times. अभी जाके PSL का पूरा सीजन निकाल के देखिए.
Even on his good days, Shayan, जब अच्छा भी करता था eventually तो starter वो इतना slow था कि I was like, you know what, no.
एक मैच में उसका तेज स्टार्ट आया. उसके अलावा आप 2 ओवर मिस कर दो कि मैं मिडिल ओवर्स में 10 रन बना के तो आगे क्या करेगी टीम?
One of the worst arcs of this PSL was slow starter Hassan
और
Nawaz.
अगर उसके बाद 13th बॉल पे आप आउट हो गए तो पूरी टीम की लाइन लगवा गए हो आप. गारंटी नहीं है वहां पे कि आप वहां से स्कोर करोगे. सो दैट्स अ बिग इशू.
Catch up knocks are dead, man.
120 बॉल्स में से आप 12 बॉल्स मिडिल ओवर्स में निकाल गए हो जहां पे आपका यूएसपी था कि आप आके मारो.
और आप मिडिल ओवर्स में तो एंकर बन ही नहीं सकते. That's not on, man. Shan is the only guy right now who's fulfilling that role theoretically. And that's why he has a case. But वही वाली बात आ जाती है फिर कि कप्तान कोई है नहीं और शान को कप्तान बनाओगे वो और प्रेशर लाएगा, उसके पीछे लोग पड़ जाएंगे.
कप्तान तो आई थिंक डिसाइडेड है PSL में whether we like it or not.
वो तो वैसे सबको ही पता है कि
होना तो उसी ने है.
सबको पता है वही हो रहा है.
Talk about one thing. You mentioned कि माइक हैसन ने आकर इस्लामाबाद यूनाइटेड वाली क्रिकेट खिलाई. नहीं खिलाई.
Complete opposite.
They sold that narrative and we did not see it on the field.
Do you think that's the players executing poorly or you think that was
everything.
instruction?
I think that is a क्या कहते हैं recourse type of thing कि okay we tried something नहीं चल रहा, वर्ल्ड कप बहुत करीब है, कुछ और करते हैं.
It was a failure on the management's part and the players' part.
It was a U-turn that they never should have taken. आप अभी भी नहीं सेमी से पहुंचे, आप उस तरह खेलकर निकल जाते यार, कुछ ग्रोथ तो होती. PSL में कम से कम देखो मुल्तान the way they played their cricket, especially the way they batted, it seemed like they were making a conscious effort कि हमने modern day cricket खेलनी है. Even पेशावर
was really
हाँ, अब ये एक अलग बात है कि पेशावर की जो हाई स्कोर्स है उसमें देखो तो बाबर जब चलता भी है the rest of the team scores a bit quicker, but you could make an argument that he's setting the platform or whatever.
अगर आपकी टीम 245 स्कोर कर रही है, 250 स्कोर कर रही है,
who cares how it happens?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm fine with that.
What do we think of Maaz Sadakat?
I love the kid.
Single most exciting batter that we have in Pakistan currently.
Has some deficiencies with the short stuff.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा सा डर लगता है as for any Pakistani batter.
Yeah.
but I think he has a very high ceiling.
So ceiling तो बहुत ऊंची है, and as he spoke Saad about deficiencies, when he's playing away from his body, तब थोड़ा वो faulty लगता है. When you pepper him with a hard length and it's shaping away, he has the potential कि वो swipe करेगा feather edge keeper को चली जाएगी. But let me tell you what makes him special. Maaz Sadakat struck at 184 this season, averaged in the 20s. Should have done slightly better, but I would still call it a
Should have done
success.
better.
ठीक है?
Should have done
He is multifaceted, great fielder, can bowl. Slow left armor भी है वो. But the biggest selling point for Maaz Sadakat is that he's got the freak gear. And when we
Free
talk...
gear एक term introduce किया था,
अच्छा.
जिसमें
Freak gear क्या है?
When we talk
those of
about
us who
the
don't know.
freak gear, you think of Abhishek Sharma. You think of 32 of 12. ठीक है? अब couple of seasons back in the IPL, you had one Abhishek Sharma and Travis Head. You look at the IPL now and you've got like 8 kids who are doing that. Priyansh Arya, Ayush Matre, Prabh Simran, Ishan Kishan, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, the freakest of all freaks. ठीक है? Pakistan में there are very limited amount of batters who can activate that freak gear. Historically, you think of Shahid Afridi, Imran Nazir. अब तुमने भी
They
देखा है,
invented the
it is a visceral
दो
experience.
ओवर खेले, हमने 30 रन मारे.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए 50s मास सदाकत से, मुझे 12 बॉलों में 30 रन चाहिए, और वो कर कर दिखाया है उसने कई दफा. Do you know what his strike rate is in the first 10 balls of his innings? He's striking at 201 in the first 10 balls of his innings. His role is to go out there and maximize the power play. Just go do your thing. Even versus spin, his first 10 balls ka strike rate was 171. So he can bash, pace and spin. He has deficiencies. He's not a big mover of his feet, but the thing with Maaz is that he, like a lot of these modern day hitters, sets a solid base for himself. And from there he launches. Maaz के अलावा फ्रीक गियर वाले लोग कौन है? समद जो फिनिशर है, जिसकी जगह बन सकती है, डेफिनेटली बननी चाहिए.
और मोहम्मद हारिस.
फिर उसके बाद क्लचिंग स्ट्रॉज, यू लुकिंग एट नईम एंड व्हाटएवर.
लेकिन मोहम्मद हारिस इस वक्त नहीं घुस सकता.
मैं ये कह रहा था
नहीं कर
मोहम्मद हारिस की, लेकिन कुछ परफॉर्मेंस
खास तौर पे जब उस्मान पागल हुआ है तो हारिस कहां पे
हारिस
घुसे,
नहीं
ठीक
घुस
है?
सकता.
अच्छा, उस्मान पागल होना यार, ये is he an overachiever, is he an underachiever, is he I can't even, क्योंकि
PSL में
वो बंदा
PSL
पागल है.
legend.
PSL लेजेंड है.
Yeah.
और वो जो पाकिस्तान के लिए खेलता है तो ऐसा फील होता है जिस तरह मैं बैटिंग कर रहा हूँ, मतलब उससे बॉल टच ही नहीं होती.
He's one of the most unesthetic batters out there. जिसको देखने का उतना मजा नहीं आता. कट अच्छी है, leather's the cut, but बाकी हैकी सा axy.
Yeah,
He doesn't wield a bat, he wields an axe.
सुल्हाड़ा bro.
लक्कड़हारा. तो उस्मान का ये कि as long as that shit is effective, you roll with it, bro. ठीक है? Thing is कि PSL में हाँ, he's got the joint most hundreds, 4 alongside Babar Azam.
Yeah.
But in a Pakistan jersey, he hasn't truly turned up. However, I think he's done enough to warrant selection again. And he's versatile.
Yeah, he is versatile, लेकिन
He
उसका
can bat lower or down the order as well.
फिर again I'll play the devil's advocate.
He should be batting in the top 3.
नहीं, अभी जो 3 इसके scores आए हैं 100, 50, 50, तीनों में उसे early on chance मिले. पहले मुल्तान के against he was out on a 0, हैट्रिक होनी चाहिए थी इस्माइल वट्टू की. अपील ही नहीं की,
I
he
remember
went on to
that.
score
Yeah.
100.
क्या खूबसूरत चीज है ना कि that spiritual hat-trick of Ismail Wattu that never happened could have eliminated Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Multan would have been top 2, but वो नहीं हुआ. Hyderabad final खेल गया. Insane.
उसके बाद अगली इनिंग्स में 50 आई थी इसकी, 0 पे ड्रॉप हुआ था. उसके बाद अगली इनिंग्स में 50 आई थी, 4 पे ड्रॉप हुआ.
अभी एलिमिनेटर में सेकंड एलिमिनेटर पे 6 पे ड्रॉप हुआ, फिर 50 मार गया मैच विनिंग.
और अभी जब ड्रॉप नहीं हुआ तो आउट हो गया
हाँ.
फाइनल में.
खैर वो फिर सूफी मैक है ना. फिर सुफियान मुकीम was the man who got that big wicket.
Devil's advocate play करना
I'm
जरूरी
not
होता है.
saying, or neither is Saad, that he's perfect. But right now, Pakistan is imperfect.
Yeah.
They're a middling team. You have to make your peace with that. ठीक है?
उसकी
but do I have to?
You do. Because are Pakistan better than India, Australia, South
sometimes-
Africa, even England?
Sometimes मेरा पता है मेरा मसला क्या है, just to give you my answer to this, is not the last 10 years na of Babar, Shaheen, Rizwan, Shadab, Nawaz, Shan Masfoor. Yeah, I just don't want to see Usman. I don't want to see. अगर मेरे से तू पूछ रहा है ना, I don't mind if we go and lose the. We've lost the last few embarrassingly as well.
Yeah.
क्या हो जाएगा? वापस जाके आ
पता है
जाएंगे.
weird चीज क्या
I'm
है?
in that
I just
camp,
want to
by
see
the way.
new people.
Well,
I'm in that camp, by the way.
When you're the one you're going through a bad breakup and you're just like, yeah, son, it's just I want to see new people. Like I
Yeah.
want to see a new life.
I understand the sentiment and you can make a case. It's a weird one.
इसमें सॉरी एक नाम नहीं मेंशन किया था हमने, हारिस रऊफ.
Never again.
When T20 cricket came about, Pakistan was one of the most dynamic sides. They were the dream team in T20s. Perfect लोग थे, ठीक है? अब आकर they've
Ahead of
become
the curve.
predictably boring, ठीक है? और इंग्लैंड से पाकिस्तान बुरी क्यों है T20s में? Although England doesn't really do much, they have upped the volatility. Pakistan desperately needs to up the volatility, man. I want to see more of this. I want to see Maz play regularly. He should be a regular feature in Pakistan's T20I setup now, even if he fails. Because I know कि जिस दिन वो 12 बॉलों में 30 कर गया ना, आपका प्लेटफॉर्म इतना सेट है कि आप सॉलिड हो. पावर प्ले आपने मैक्सिमाइज कर दिया.
Who else would you put in the Pakistan team?
Arafat Minhas.
Arafat needs to be there.
Right at this.
Both the
Yeah.
brothers are...
नहीं समीर I was torn, लेकिन अभी उसकी recently performances देखी है ना मैंने. I think he still needs more time. He's highly talented. Arafat Minhas, Maaz Sadakat, probably Saad Masood at this
Samad.
point. Abdul Samad.
Abdul Samad is
these
there.
are the new faces.
Thing with Arafat is that he
Hunain
should
Shah.
have... हाँ, Hunain Shah.
Hunain Shah को ले
Definitely be there.
अच्छा वैसे एक क्वेश्चन
उन्हें को ले आओ.
उस दिन मैं सोच रहा था पाकिस्तान में बड़े इंटरेस्टिंगली there have been a lot of brothers that have
Yeah.
played for Pakistan, right?
Akmals,
मतलब
the
the
Shahs.
Akmals, right?
Now
The
the
Shahs,
Super Minhas bros.
the Super Minhas bros. मतलब एक ट्रेंड है यहाँ पे कि भाई सारे खेल रहे थे.
Mohammed's back in the day.
यही मैं कहने वाला था. The
Yeah.
Mohammeds iconically.
Yeah, iconic.
I read a stat कि the first 89 or 90 tests में one of the brothers played in every test match.
Yeah.
The only thing that beats that is New Zealand because they're all cousins out there. Sorry, related. But yes, I think both brothers are really exciting. Arafat, I'm with Saad. You draft him in instantly.
Like for
Yeah.
Mohammad Nawaz.
Exactly.
A better version.
If
hopefully.
anything, he should have been introduced earlier. Good slow left armor and someone who can whack it as well. Really good fielder.
Yeah, really good.
Live wire in the field. Wo Sammy bhi hai. Sameer Minhas is exceptionally talented. Might be a bit more talented than Arafat because his batting is, beyond phenomenal.
Really good.
Yeah.
Really good.
He had the best season for an under 20 player.
Under emerging player in all of PSL seasons, this was the best season for an emerging player.
Yeah.
Sufyan Mukim को भी लाना चाहिए उसमें.
Yes. Sufi
वो तो
Max.
खैर he should have played
He should have played.
anyways.
Yes.
Like ये तो
Yes.
खैर delayed बात है ना.
I don't know how many of our podcasts you watch, but
Yeah.
we've been.
सुबह मैं तो
On
तुम लोग
the
पता नहीं कब
ground.
से लगे. No, but in fairness, like वो तो makes no sense कि वो पहले क्यों नहीं था. मतलब उसको तो वैसे ही होना चाहिए था.
Yeah.
Sameer Minhas interesting. I know Saad says कि अभी नहीं, मगर honestly I'm not opposed to it. मेरा पता है एंगल क्या है.
Yeah.
Let's suppose you give Sameer Minhas the same amount of confidence at number 3 that you gave Salman Ali Agha in the team. Surely he does better than that, right?
You put in Usman Khan at 3.
हाँ
at
ये
this
भी
point.
है. But Sammy की पता है qualities क्या हैं?
और कुछ है नहीं.
Yes.
Sameer Minhas.
Stop making that face.
You're
और
telling
कुछ
me कि
नहीं है.
पाकिस्तान का
और
number
कुछ
3
नहीं है.
अगर it's
Maz-
not that it's
नहीं
just
है.
so aesthetically unbelievably unpleasing.
मास की हम बात करते हैं ना तो वो एक्सप्लोसिव है, वो मारता है. Sammy Minhas is not a slogger by any means, he's a technician. This guy does not forgive any sort of width. फुलर बॉल और ड्राइव कर देगा, शॉर्टर लेंथ या गुड लेंथ पे बॉल हो तो कट शॉट है इसके पास, थर्ड मैन के ऊपर से निकाल देगा. ऑफ साइड पे कंप्लीट प्लेयर लगता है.
He's getting ready for the red ball season
Yes,
now.
which is really good. He's got a really good pull shot. He can play the ball or flick it off his hips as well. Down the ground भी खेलता है. He's got this wide array of shots.
Very, very wide
ठीक है?
range of shots.
And he's technically quite sound.
So in terms of the technicians and the people we can add, अभी तो लोग 18 महीनों में आई थिंक राइट नवंबर में साउथ अफ्रीका में जो वर्ल्ड कप है
Cup, yeah,
राइट
October, November.
अक्टूबर
Yeah.
नवंबर में really we're planning for that right no that's the next big
Which Shaheen is
ICC
your captain?
Yeah, that's an issue, I suppose.
हाँ और शाहीन पे मैं आता हूँ लेकिन before that what changes would you make into those teams
ODI is a tough one because we are yet to see ODI cricket, right?
But
हमें देखना पड़ेगा
अभी
कुछ.
I'd stick
because
with
हम ODIs खेल अभी हम टेस्ट खेल रहे हैं उसके बाद हम
ODI है ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ 3 मैच ODI सीरीज है.
Yeah.
I'd stick with Fakhar and Saim and Babar at top 3.
Likewise. अभी तो मैं रिजवान को भी 4 पे रखूं.
हाँ, और सलमान अली आगा 5 है
Yes.
आपका.
Top 5 sorted है. उसके बाद हाँ, इंशाल्लाह. You don't know what sort of pacers are going to do well. You don't know आपका 6-7 पे कौन आ रहा है.
आपके पास
वैसे
spinner
यार,
कौन
since we've done the
successful
underachieving
स्पिनर तो खेल ले शायद सूफी.
कौन सा सक्सेसफुल होगा. फैसल अकरम हैज got ODI
He's
record
good-
as well.
he's good in
अबरार
ODIs.
अहमद भी है, so वो देखना पड़ेगा.
But top 5 I think.
Abrar should be in the team no
स्क्वाड में तो for sure.
I do think Sufi has the highest ceiling for any of these spinners.
well that's fair that's a fair argument like maybe bed him in with the T20s and then
I like Faisal Akram in ODIs by the way. He's got that loopy stuff as well.
ये लेकिन चलो
He's
ये
really
सारा तो हो जाएगा स्पिनर्स तो हमारे पास कुछ हद तक
हाँ,
डिस्कस
कुछ-
करने
कुछ,
वाले तुम मुझे बता दो पेसर क्या खिलाने हैं?
यार ये बहुत बड़ा
एक
topic
बंदा
है.
नहीं है
मैं तो
यार
कहता हूँ पॉडकास्ट बंद करें. पेसर कोई नहीं.
You know what? One of the my least favorite arcs or narratives was from this PSL. Barring Hyderabad, we saw no pace bowling on display which would enterprise you, which would excite you. Seam bowling तो थी ही नहीं इस PSL में. There's a dearth in seam bowling talent. Hunain stood out, and full credit to him, he did really well. Him, Mohammad Ali, and Akif formed a trio.
Yeah.
The
That was
pace
good.
bowling
yeah
battery.
but I mean वो ये कि that's probably the best bowling attack in PSL this season
Yeah,
and that's
pace bowling attack.
pace bowling attack and even that's
हाँ मतलब it's not the
Yeah.
sort जो
But
आपको
you're not
भी
going to be like a Mohammad Ali, whatever, you know, like
Yeah,
मतलब no, you didn't grow up to Wasim Wakar and be like यार ये देख मजा आ गया.
you don't pay to watch Muhammad Ali.
Yeah,
No
exactly.
disrespect.
No disrespect.
disrespect.
मतलब
Yeah.
he won the मतलब he played really well.
I think
लेकिन
Second highest wicket taker.
Yeah.
even Hunain is not ready for ODIs.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अभी वो 4 ओवर का बॉलर है.
Yeah.
हाँ, clutch है. Ice in his veins. He's won crucial games.
उसको T20
हाँ,
में
death
ले
bowling
आओ.
ठीक करा लेता
आखिरी
है.
ओवर में 6 रन डिफेंड किया, executed the Yorkers, which is very tough ball to or
Agreed.
brave ball to bowl because it's very short margin of error, right?
Yeah.
Tiny margin of error. Either side एक
No, he bowled a
1.5 इंच
fantastic last over.
slot ball या full toss हो सकती है. तो वो उसकी Yorkers solid थे, तो उसका शायद चांस बन
I
सकता है.
think just pray कि somehow Naseem fit हो जाए both physically and mentally.
अच्छा मैं एक सवाल पूछूं तेरे से.
ODI
नसीम
में
को हर बंदा रेट करता है. Can you tell me like what is Naseem's best moment not with the ball? मुझे छक्के ना बता जो उसने अफगानिस्तान को मारे थे ये मुझे हर बंदा
वो
बताता है.
बॉल है नहीं ना
The
इसलिए तो
start
नहीं
of his ODI career. He had one of the best
best.
starts.
ना. He had a really good
And
start.
that test series versus Australia on those dead tracks,
Yeah.
he was getting to reverse the ball. वो
And-
Cam Green वाला
and
dismissal.
I guess you could argue that वो जो T20 फाइनल था
Stokes.
स्टोक्स को एक दो दफा बीट किया. But
एक
that's
दो से
really-
ज्यादा थी यार.
नहीं लेकिन मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि like you can't be like my best time was जब मैंने एक बंदे को बीट किया 4 दफा.
They haven't managed their fast bowlers well.
He's a defensive bowler in its own. Na?
उसकी length defensive है.
You need to pair him up with Peak Shaheen, for
Yes.
example. That's why they were working.
Naseem Shah,
दोनों चलेंगे.
all phases में अच्छा ये था कि he wouldn't miss his mark. He was so accurate.
But
Bullseye
that was-
accuracy थी.
That was 2-3 years ago. Just
अब तो नहीं है.
He would hit it on a length and shape it either way, right? That was his USP. He's lost that. He lost a bit of fitness in between.
a lot of fitness.
Yeah. और पता है, ultimately,
a lot of seriousness as well. Serious नहीं लगा वो मुझे अपने
शायद-
करियर में.
I firmly believe कि fast bowlers, especially in this day and age, जहाँ पे इतनी क्रिकेट होती है, they've got a limited amount of deliveries in them in their career. आप हर मैच खिलाते थे शाहीन नसीम को यार.
नेपाल के गेम्स भी खेल रहे एशिया कप में.
ठीक है लेकिन अब तो हो गया ना अब किसको खिलाएं.
पता नहीं.
यार साउथ अफ्रीका में जो वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है ओडीआईज में उसमें फिलहाल तो राउफ इज इन द कॉन्वर्सेशन बट राउफ पता है he's losing
He's not in the
faith
conversation for me.
every single second.
He's not in the conversation. तुमने साउथ अफ्रीका में रिकॉर्ड देखा उसका?
हाँ, इतना खास
It's
नहीं.
atrocious.
Yeah.
खास नहीं बहुत गंदा
Yeah.
रिकॉर्ड है उसका.
तुम
South
मुझे
Africa
कह
में
रहे हो
किसका है
कि
अच्छा?
हम साउथ अफ्रीका के वर्ल्ड कप में जाएंगे with शाहीन नसीम
अभी
हारिस
नसीम
बाबर
and-
रिजवान
Naseem
Naseem and Shaheen did well in South Africa in the ODIs अभी last year but पता नहीं.
खुरम शहजाद.
Oh my god, no, we're not going there, man. New ball ही है.
He's a good new ball bowler.
मतलब ठीक है.
नहीं है ऑप्शंस नहीं.
पेसर सबसे बड़ा इशू है शायद इस वक्त.
अच्छा
और वो 6-7 का प्लेयर भी पेस बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर तो और बड़ा इशू है.
वो तो फिर
वो तो है ही नहीं ना.
राणा जी.
राणा जी.
राणा जी.
वैसे राणा जी जिस तरह पीएसएल में स्टोक्स लगता है ना that
अंडर
also-
अचीवर.
हाँ,
Underachiever.
underachiever.
I
राणा
think overachiever है.
नहीं, underachiever.
You think Rana could have done more?
बहुत
Rana could have
talent है.
done much.
For instance, have you ever seen Bo Webster play?
No.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया का Bo Webster is not that talented, but उसकी लिमिटेड गेम में वो जितना जूस निकाल सकता था ना, उसने उतना ही अच्छा परफॉर्म कर गया. He has overachieved. Fahim Ashraf is more talented than
राणा जी
Bo
underachieved.
अच्छा वैसे now that you brought this up, do you think Rana ji is more or less talented than Shadab?
less
Less.
Shadab-
So Shadab had
Shadab.
a higher
natural
ceiling.
natural talent.
Do you think Shadab had a bigger career?
Yes.
Yes.
Shadab also खैर Champions Trophy.
Yadni, he was really good up until that 2022 T20 World
Yes.
Cup. यार he
Do
was.
you think Rana ji is a better player than Nawaz?
नहीं नवाज is
यार,
highly
हाँ.
talented. वो
राणा जी
highly
underachiever इसलिए क्योंकि he could have been that guy.
talented. यार लेकिन वो roles different है ना. Pace bowling all rounder में है ना.
But I'm asking from a career perspective. चलो Shadab Nawaz का कर लो. Do you think Shadab is a
Shadab.
better?
Shadab more talented than Nawaz.
And a better career.
Had a better career? Do you think Imad had a better career than either one of them?
इमाद और नवाज
Imad
probably
by the way एक overachiever. Imad का कुछ खास था तो
नहीं,
नहीं मतलब-
इमाद एक टाइम पे बड़ा अच्छा था यार.
अच्छा तो था लेकिन as in he had a great game plan with what he would do with the ball but
He
he
knew
wasn't
how to
like,
do one thing, and he did it really well.
and he did it really well but is that overachieving or underachieving because he had one
If he
particular
didn't know how to bat,
I think उसका अच्छा
हाँ
career
एप्ट है. If he didn't bat तो वो नहीं खेल सकता था. वो इसलिए खेला है इतना क्योंकि उसको बैटिंग आती थी. अब although he's
बिल्कुल
dropped
नहीं
off,
आती,
but
bat ही नहीं पकड़
if you think of the Champions Trophy, Imad had contributions. He got AB in the South Africa game. That was one of the biggest wickets in all of cricket that
I
time.
think Imad had a better career than Nawaz.
हाँ.
and Shadab
नहीं.
Shadab is a better
नहीं.
cricketer than Imad Wasim. अब
अच्छा-
फील्डिंग भी तो देखो ना यार.
अच्छा एक सवाल
नहीं
है
उसकी वर्ल्ड कप की परफॉर्मेंस देखो ना.
Do you
They were
think-
always better than Imad.
Do you think शादाब को जो दमाद वाला कर्ज की बात होती है शाहीन और इन सब का
यार वो-
शादाब को बहुत ज्यादा सर पे चढ़ गया है या do you think it's just a question of he's just bang out of form?
He's out of form नहीं. I think वो भी serious नहीं होता.
Multiple groin injuries kind of messed him up, but he
He's not-
Got operated last year, full rehab कराया है. I hope he gets his
serious
shape back.
It's not serious enough. Not serious enough. ये सारों का सबसे बड़ा इशू ये है कि वो जब अपने ग्लोरी डेज पे थे ना, जिसमें बाय द वे कुछ जीते नहीं थे हम,
हाँ, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ,
they were really good.
The fact कि ये glory days celebrate होती हैं.
They were really good. Number one in
Pakistan-
ODIs and stuff like that. वो उनके सर पे चढ़ गया bro. वहां से वापस कभी नहीं आ
Also,
सकते.
Pakistan,
Grounded नहीं रहे.
Pakistan cricket को historically भी देखो ना, even in the good old days, their biggest Achilles heel has been professionalism.
Yeah.
Right? Top down.
Yeah.
Right from administration to the players.
But उनकी glory days were like World Cups and stuff. It
But
wasn't
अब-
like कि मैंने
हाँ, कभी
एक दफा इंडिया को ICC ट्रॉफी में हरा दिया.
barring Imran Khan's late 80s team and Misbah's test team, consistent नहीं रही पाकिस्तान, ठीक है. However, पुराने जमाने में क्रिकेट wasn't as professional as it is today. तो वो इतना बड़ा गैप नहीं था. आजकल प्रोफेशनलिज्म इतना आ चुका है. It's been so professionalized this sport that वो बहुत बड़ा गल्फ बन गया पाकिस्तान
ये
with the rest of the
amateurs
world.
रह गए, वो बाकी सारी दुनिया
Fair
आगे
enough.
pros
मतलब
बन गए.
Yes.
the needle has moved and we have not
And
moved.
we've
accordingly.
not moved.
Exactly.
That's fair.
And the needle keeps moving, man.
और प्लेयर्स के हिसाब से मैं ये बोलूंगा, द मेंटालिटी ही असल में मसला है उनका. इस तरह नहीं हो सकता कि ओवरनाइट आपकी एबिलिटी लूज हो जाए, बिकॉज एक टाइम पे दे वर रियली रियली गुड.
Do you think Shaheen is an injury issue or a mentality issue?
इंजरी
Injury issue.
100%
He's done.
मुझे उसकी मेंटालिटी से ज्यादा मसले नहीं.
उसकी मेंटालिटी तो if anything अच्छी है, मगर you're never going to get peak Shaheen again.
मुझे बाबर, रिजवान, शादाब, इनकी मेंटालिटी से इश्यूज.
You think Shaheen is just a बेचारा injured है?
He's lost the
अच्छा,
pace.
Do you remember peak Shaheen, by the
मैं
way?
ये
He
कह
was
रहा था.
the best new ball bowler in the world at that time.
मेरा सवाल है, if let's say Shaheen Shah Afridi आज रिटायर हो जाता है, right, and is never in the Pakistan team again, where is his, क्योंकि एक उसका जो like he said एक point पे वो new ball के साथ he was doing things that were crazy,
That was his USP.
right?
First
Is he
over
up
wickets.
there with like for example when you think back at Shaheen's career, let's say it ends today, ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं खेलता, is he a better, did he have better career than say Mohammad Sami,
Yes, 100%.
समी से तो बेहतर.
Rana Naveed?
Rana Naveed.
राणा जी इंडिया में जाके राणे ने मतलब कोई परफॉर्मेंस
Rana Naveed is such an underrated cricketer. His slower one to this day.
Rana Naveed, I love him, bro.
Still the best.
OG Rana.
Still the best hair transplant in cricket history. ठीक है, कहाँ वो गंजा था, देखिए उसके बाल.
ये डेढ़ लाख yours लगता है
नहीं, उसके मुझसे भी बेहतर थे. उसके dead straight थे और उड़ते थे.
I love OG Rana.
Shaheen over Rana Naveed, but Rana Naveed unsung.
Yeah.
जुनेद खान,
underutilized.
do you think he's
वो
better than
comparison.
because Shaheen, Junaid had like he won the Champions Trophy as well,
And he was the second best seamer for Pakistan in
Yeah,
the Champions
in the
Trophy.
Champions
Amir
Trophy.
सिर्फ turned up for the final.
हाँ.
Trophies की फिर
And
comparison
then also
में
like
आ गया.
Junaid had that, like obviously वो इंडिया गया था, he was insane in that.
He didn't
Junaid
play
Khan
enough.
is insanely underrated
Yes.
in Pakistan cricket folklore.
Yes.
But
But didn't play enough.
didn't play enough.
So you put Shaheen over him?
Yeah.
Right.
solely-
Ability wise नहीं, just by the way, let me tell you, maybe Junaid Khan was more talented than him, लेकिन अगर overall careers compare करोगे तो शाहीन आगे निकल जाता है. वो गलती जुनैद खान की नहीं है, वो गलती बोर्ड की है जिसने उसे खिलाया
They
नहीं.
played him in all tests in Asia and never gave him a Senna test, man. Like, think about that.
वो
Junaid
इधर
Khan.
यूएई की रोडों पे बॉलिंग कराता था.
हाँ. And what a
दिन
bowler
दिन
था.
बॉलिंग कराता था.
संगा को मसले डाले हुए थे.
What a bowler यार.
What about Hassan Ali? ठीक है, he had a very small career, लेकिन he had that one Champions Trophy.
वो
match
hero था,
tournament.
MVP था.
Hassan Ali has a better international career than Shaheen. 100%.
You think he's better than Shaheen?
I don't think he's better than Shaheen, but legacy शायद उसकी
Legacy
better है.
wise, not Shaheen more talented bowler. Hassan Ali
Talented
has
की बात नहीं है.
Shaheen बहुत talented
legacy
है.
wise.
Talented तो Shaheen pre-injury we were thinking कि what
yeah.
like he's the next.
भाई उस टाइम पे बुमराह से थोड़ा सा ऊपर आ रहा था
Yeah.
in terms of new ball success. ठीक है,
Yeah.
उसके बाद देखो तो वो अब देखो ना इंजरी किस तरह मैनेज
But हाँ, but it's right now we're talking about the career because like you said talent तो था.
We're
बुमराह
talking
डेढ़
about the
साल नहीं खेला.
legacies.
अब वो वापस
Yeah.
आया तो we saw peak बुमराह after injury.
Yeah.
If you're talking about legacies, Hassan Ali has a better one.
Yeah.
Umar Gul?
100%. Umar Gul better.
Umar Gul better because T20s में Umar Gul was a
Umar-
demon.
Better.
Yeah. One of the most underrated T20 bowlers in history.
Yeah, yeah.
And do you think अगर मैं शाहीन की बात करूं, जिस तरह चलो इंजरी उसने मैनेज नहीं की, सही नहीं किया, वो सारी चीजें ठीक है, could he have evolved? जिस तरह यार देखो आमिर आया after that big spell out obviously for
He
match
tried
fixing.
though.
He tried.
He tried, he failed.
Dragged back his length, you know, came up with a couple of slower ones. एक roll over the finger वाली, एक back of the hand. I
Is he
think
just, but isn't that also talent? Shouldn't he, like Amir for example came back, he wasn't the same bowler as he was as a kid, but he came back and did a lot for.
He also bowled a lot.
Yeah.
Comes back to the same thing.
Yeah,
ये
बहुत
कराते
ज़्यादा-
जाते हैं bowling.
बहुत ज्यादा रगड़ दिया था हमें,
शाहीन
तभी his
और-
body gave up as well.
शाहीन और नसीम साथ एक तरह से सेम चीज हुई हुई है. इनको इतनी bowling करा दी
लेकिन
कि
उन
you
दो-
ran them to the ground.
लेकिन नहीं उन दोनों की फ्रीक इंजरीज थी ब्रो, उन दोनों की फ्रीक इंजरीज थी. नसीम भी फील्डिंग करते हुए हुआ था, शाहीन भी फील्डिंग करते हुए,
I think-
कॉन्टैक्ट इंजरीज थी जिसको सही तरह डायग्नोस नहीं किया है.
He's not the most smartest customer. He was more talent and raw pace. अब शाहीन की यही वाली bowling को वापस 140 प्लस पे कर दो तो अच्छा हो जाएगा. मगर अनफॉर्चुनेटली इंजरीज ने मार कर दिया करियर.
शाहीन और नसीम का एक तो ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा भी इन लोगों ने पीसीबी की मेडिकल टीम के बारे में अब हम ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं
Let's not even go to Ihsanullah.
लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा वॉच की है इन्होंने. शाहीन और नसीम के केस में ये भी बहुत ज्यादा कि इनको इनसिक्योरिटी भी थी कि यार हमारी प्लेस आके कोई और ले जाएंगे, तो रीहैब उस तरह का इन्होंने नहीं किया. दे शुड स्पेंड मोर टाइम. शाहीन वाज फास्ट ट्रैक बैक इन द 2022 T20 वर्ल्ड कप. वहां पे उसी नी पे फिर से इंजरी हो जाती है,
जो कि बाय द
और
वे
डिरेल कर देती है आपका करियर.
पीक शाहीन का ये अंदाजा लगाओ कि he got injured. He was fast tracked into the T20 team for that T20
He was
2022 T20 World
great.
Cup. At 80% or 75% he was killing it.
बस वो फिर
मगर वो फिर से इंजर हुआ है ना, उसके बाद हमने वो बंदा नहीं देखा.
वो उस बंदे ने खुद भी शायद आई थिंक वो वाला टाइम स्पेंड नहीं किया जो उसे करना चाहिए था रिहैब में. अभी भी हो सकता है बाय द वे, ही स्टिल यंग.
But you look at the way
बिठा दो एक साल, क्या हो जाएगा?
you look at the way
बैठेगा वो
India-
एक साल.
बट बैठेगा नहीं. अगर मैं होता मैं फोर्स करता एक साल बैठ जाए, तू रिहैब करके वापस आ.
बुमराह को देख.
गेट
अब देखो ना,
हाइट्स बैक यार.
बुमराह T20 वर्ल्ड कप ईयर में T20s खेलेगा, ODIs नहीं खेलता. वो टेस्ट मैचेस वो उसको देख देख के खिलाते हैं. कभी कभार वो भी उसको ज्यादा खिला जाते हैं. But they wrap him up in cotton wool and take a lot of care of Bumrah because they know that when this guy is fit and firing, he's the best bowler in the world. शाहीन को हमने कहाँ किया रैप इन कॉटन वूल? उसको तो आपने कप्तान बना दिया ODIs का, तो वो हर ODI खेलेगा.
10 ओवर करवाएगा, वो बॉडी है ही नहीं उसकी, वो घुटना ही नहीं है उसको.
दम घुटकू हो गया वो.
PSL कैसी लगी?
Started off very slow, very dull.
Very dull at the
ऐसा
start.
मैं by the way ऑलमोस्ट सारे मैचेस में लाइव था, तो ऐसा था कि मैं काश बेड पे होता और मैच ना देख रहा होता. लेकिन by the end of it, the last 6 games of the group stage and the playoffs and final were really fun.
Yeah.
Really.
I
Do
mean,
you think the final was a good final?
The final wasn't
Final.
a good final on the field.
Say वो
लेकिन
थोड़ा सा जो
the
एक दो विकेट
spectacle
शुरू में
was-
गिर गई थी, बाबर यावर out हो
spectacle
गया.
was
उसको लैप्स हो गया ना हैदराबाद का.
match wasn't good,
Yeah.
लेकिन it was fun at the end.
This final was a bit of a stinker, but साथ की तरह मैं भी यही ओपिनियन रखता हूँ कि शुरू में it was dull, a lot of off-field nonsense. बॉल पे डाई आ रहा है, someone new is getting fined every 4 minutes. वो सब कुछ देखा, but then the focus shifted back to the cricket. We saw no dead rubbers. The end of the group stages was riveting. ठीक है,
फिर मजा आया.
on a knife's edge, Karachi knocked out Quetta. Next game Lahore knocks out Karachi. Next game Hyderabad unbelievably knocks out Lahore.
Yeah.
I mean that is
was
what
crazy.
you live
वो
for.
was the best part, I think.
And
that
then we
place.
got an eliminator for all the ages when Islamabad
Yeah.
played Hyderabad. So I think ultimately a success.
And then that qualifier में बाबर की century.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Those are
और
big moments.
also tricky times के अंदर इस पूरे टूर्नामेंट को करा देना, एंड में क्राउड भी वापस आ गया. It was a
कराची
good
में
move.
almost full house मिल
Yeah.
गया यार. ये
हाँ.
कब एक्सपेक्ट किया था हमने पिछले
कभी
10
देखा भी
सालों
नहीं
में.
है, to be fair.
I think all things said and done, we'll look back at this PSL with fond memories. और मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी चीज ये इसके अंदर जो यंगस्टर्स की आर्क्स आई है ना, वो बड़ी जबरदस्त हैं. We've talked about Maz, we've talked about Sameer Minhas.
शामिल हुसैन भी.
Shamil Hussein's belligerence was there for the world to see. सीधा निकल कर मारता है वो. He's strong off his legs. Loved him. Abdul Samad, the finisher, was really impressive. Under 19 वाला फरहान यूसुफ कप्तान. Live wire in the field. Best fielder in the tournament. Finished the game as well.
Arafat Minhas.
Arafat Minhas. बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी आर्क्स मिली हमें with respect to the youngsters, and that's what the PSL is all about. This is supposed to be a development league, isn't it? For us as well.
बस वो डेवलपमेंट आई नहीं उस तरह की.
नहीं, आपकी
जब से
चैंपियंस
शुरू हुआ, I swear
शुरू
we've
में
got
आई
more.
थी, शुरू में आई थी.
चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी की विक्ट्री
शुरू
के
में
पीछे
couple of PSLs,
बहुत बड़ा
yeah.
हाथ PSL, and you have to remember that ultimately Pakistan cricket's health financially relies heavily on the PSL.
Yeah, it does.
Yep.
It does.
And what do you guys think in terms of मतलब the PSL as a commercial success? तो चलो नहीं थी because of various reasons, हमने सारी बात की. But do you think this sort of brand of cricket is improving? Like if I asked you like next year you're going to, I don't know if they're going to add more teams. वो तो
नहीं,
conversation.
नहीं, they're not.
वो तो अब for a few years.
What I
10 साल
want
तक
them
नहीं आएंगी.
to do is to make sure every team plays each other twice. For instance, Hyderabad played Pindis twice. एक फायदा तो
Should
था
they
ना ये.
change from the IPL time? I know
Yes,
you got a lot of Aussies.
I was about to.
Yeah.
Got to do that.
Yeah, because you got a lot of Aussies, which is nice. But like, I mean, a lot of these guys are like Hardy है वापस
अब
मिल
Hardy-
रहा था.
Aaron Hardy जाएगा
हाँ,
IPL.
अब तो नहीं आता.
ठीक है, तो अब आप विंडो चेंज करोगे
Yeah.
तो you're not directly competing with the IPL for those players.
And even in minutes, like I was listening where like all it's being viewed, like ARY पे लगा होता है in England and stuff like that. Like you're losing a lot of.
Yes.
You could be on, you know, like Star Sports or Super Sports in South
भाई,
Africa.
viewership
Yeah.
तो चलो अपनी
Sky
जगह
cricket.
की. A lot of people who aren't Pakistani, most people will watch the IPL ahead of the PSL, but also broadcasters भी best वाले तो मिलेंगे ना IPL को.
Commentators,
ठीक है?
सब कुछ best वाला होता है
Coaches, staff. So I don't think it's possible to coexist in the same window as the IPL. You've got to figure out the other window again. अभी तो नहीं कर सकते थे ना 2 साल. Champions Trophy और World Cup आ गया. नहीं आ रहा अगले साल. Go back to the old window.
Go back to the old window, get the best players available.
And the one thing I'll always appreciate about the PSL from a non-commercial aspect is every season I want to see one youngster just completely light up the stage. Or Sufyan Mukim was that guy this year.
गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस, अगर ये विंडो शिफ्ट भी कर लेते हैं ना, उससे होगा ये, तो काफी ज्यादा ऑजीज आए हैं इस दफा. अब उनकी बातें जो है ना दुनिया मानती है.
Yes.
अब वो जाके बताएगी यार पीएसएल में ये मार्नस के सारों ने आंसू देखे हैं.
Could be यार.
अब वहां
So
पे
that was great.
हाँ,
That was
love
my
it.
favorite moment of the whole.
एरन
PSL.
हार्डी की परफॉर्मेंस
हाँ.
देखी है, वो जाके वहां पे ऑस्ट्रेलियंस को
लेकिन
बताएगा.
दबशेन एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेयर है for him to care this much,
Yeah.
like care at all.
Yeah.
कभी
You know,
कभी वर्ल्ड कप से पहले ट्वीटें देखी हैं उसने.
And not a lot of foreign players have been this invested, right? Marnus showed his passion to the world. He was completely emotionally invested, entrenched, and general energy bhi, you know, just put in a lot of heart, showed a lot of heart.
स्टीव स्मिथ आउट हुए एलिमिनेटर 1 में, जाके ड्रेसिंग रूम में बल्ला मार है.
हाँ.
दैट वाज द पैशन. स्टीव स्मिथ.
अब देखो, Darren Sammy is one who we think of, David Visa is another.
Yeah.
जिन्होंने इतनी इन्वेस्टमेंट दिखाई पीएसएल के अंदर, तो ऑस्ट्रेलियन कनेक्शन इज सॉलिड. एक तो उनका वो वर्क एथिक एंड प्लेइंग हार्ड एंड फेयर एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ.
एंड देन अगर विंडो शिफ्ट करते यू विल गेट इंग्लिश प्लेयर्स एज वेल.
Yes.
अभी उन्होंने काउंटी सीजन शुरू करना इसलिए नहीं आधे आ सकते. आईपीएल में ऑब्वियसली उनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होते हैं, एक आधा महीना पीछे कर लेंगे तो इंग्लिश प्लेयर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे.
And even if the PSL remains a feeder league, I would much rather have the top emerging talent from Australia and England than, I don't know, Charita Salanka.
बेचारे को क्यों रोल दिया?
Mother, you get the drift.
We love you, our Sri Lankan brothers.
We do, but both the Kusals made the final. But like, you know, I want to see the PSL grow in a way कि आपकी दूसरे मुल्कों की भी वो वाली interest हो कि अच्छा यार, maybe we can have a phenomenal PSL and bag a killer deal in the IPL. I got no issues with that. Honestly. We've done this before. Harry Brook, Phil Salt,
Tim David,
David Malan to a certain extent.
Yeah.
no, like fair enough. You would rather have the emerging talent than the sort of washed up talent or the.
washed up थोड़ा हाँ ज्यादा, but I want Steve Smith back.
Yeah. I'd want Moeen
No,
Ali and
Steve Smith could play for Australia if he wanted, like as
Right
a
now he
T20.
can.
Yeah, he's
Right
in
now
crazy
he
form.
can.
Yeah.
eyeing the Olympics, by the way.
Yeah.
He's been vocal about that. And look, वो भी evolve कर गया.
Yeah.
He was not this sort of player before.
Incredible.
He's become high intent Steve Smith. विराट कोहली high intent कोहली बन गया उधर. वो भी एंकर था यार. You know, so ये चीजें हैं नोट करने वाली. But I think it is one big giant hug, the PSL, right? Ultimately, what I just want to see is for new Pakistani talent to emerge. That's my biggest thing with the PSL. और दूसरा, आपको इतना talent मिल जाए बाहर का कि इन players की भी साथ उनकी growth हो जाए. You know, they learn a thing or two from them in the dressing room. Glenn Maxwell had more or less of a stinker in this PSL, barring a game or two. वो आखिरी गेम पिंडी से खिलाफ बहुत शानदार था. मगर मैक्सवेल से ड्रेसिंग रूम शेयर करने से फायदा तो हुआ होगा ना आपके इरफान न्याजी को, फॉर इंस्टेंस.
Father was.
उसको पता नहीं हुआ कि
I
नहीं.
don't
Yeah, bro.
One of the biggest flops.
दोनों ही वैसे ग्लेन मैक्सवेल और इरफान न्याजी ने फाइनल में मरवाया ही है.
इरफान न्याजी, साइम अयूब, अब्बास आफरीदी, वसीम जूनियर,
ख्वाजा नाफिद.
Khwaja Nafid, these guys had terrible PSLs. But Abbas Afridi is the biggest disappointment for me because I think he was someone who you could build your team around.
Yeah.
Pace bowling all-rounder.
Wes Junior भी highly disappointing.
अब्बास और वैस की bowling लग रहा था जैसे रिग्रेस कर गई है.
Sahim, so what was Sahim doing?
वैस जूनियर को पता है सैम बिलिंग्स रैंप कर रहा है हर बॉल. Don't bowl full. You know, but he kept doing that. Or Abbas Afridi was supposed to be someone whose back of the hand slower one and slower one's change of pace was brilliant. He was unbowlable at times. He didn't even field well. Really good fielder. So कुछ disappointments भी थी. Some flop shows that weren't particularly nice to view.
And do you think this might, like, I'll let you guys go after this, but just do you think PSL is doing enough to unearth the talents? I know some clubs do more. The Qalandars do more, and certain clubs are building more like around it. And I think जब we were doing the podcast with Essen as well, हमारी conversation कर रहे थे. But 11 साल हो गए हैं. I'm not going to, the new ones I'm not going to talk about because वो तो अभी आए हैं. लेकिन in terms of the older clubs, were they doing enough to unearth more talent?
यार, you have to look at the way it's set up. सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल है ना, इट्स लाइक नेटफ्लिक्स, एवरी ईयर यू पे अ फी and after the 10 years when your contract expires or your lease expires,
You don't own it.
if you haven't turned a profit, you don't own anything. You need to sell perpetuity to these clubs or franchises. उसके बाद आप डेवलपमेंट देखोगे. अभी तो फिलहाल सिर्फ कलंदर्स कर रहे हैं.
अभी उनका काम भी नहीं है ना ये
Incentive
करना।
क्या है? What is the incentive? You're already losing money.
Yeah.
Why would you want to build an academy on top of that? If you sell perpetuity, कि अब आपका club
अब
forever है.
आप- You own this.
Yeah.
Do you think that'll ever happen?
I don't
Not in the near
Not in the next 10 years.
हाँ वो तो नहीं है सो गलती है ये पीएसएल की आई थिंक ओनर्स को अगर ओनरशिप मिल जाए ना उस चीज की तो वो अपने ही जिस तरह
Yeah, अगर
football में
franchise
देखते
model
हैं।
है, why can't you just put it as a clause of the model कि you have to do this as a part of it?
Because then you're asking for investment for
for
that
more
specific.
investment and that doesn't make sense for a business owner to invest more right
अभी
अब
तो-
for example हम फुटबॉल की बात करते हैं ना अब आर्सेनल है तो वो owned by
The Kroenkes.
द क्रोंकीज अब वो इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए एकेडमी में ताकि हम अपने ही प्लेयर्स डेवलप करके उधर लेके आए ना। इनके पास वो इंसेंटिव नहीं है क्योंकि दे डोंट ओन इट
Also, यार-
क्यों एक्स्ट्रा खर्चा करो यहाँ पे डोमेस्टिक टूर्नामेंट में कोई बच्चा खेल रहा होगा वहां से पकड़ लेते हैं
इसलिए तो टैलेंट हंट पे टैलेंट हंट होता है.
हाँ.
बट एक और चीज इसमें ये है यार कि अब आपने टीमें बढ़ाई, ठीक है, वेल एंड गुड, आई लव इट, होनी चाहिए थी पीएसएल में 8 टीमें, बट यू डिडंट मेक श्योर कि हर टीम 14 मैच खेले. तो हर मैच की अपनी ब्रॉडकास्ट की अर्निंग होती है. यू हैव increase the teams but haven't increased the pie as much. तो slice of the pie
मतलब पहले
would be
34
smaller.
मैचेस होते थे टोटल अब 44 हुए हैं मेरा 14 पे चले जाते हैं ना तो फिर पता नहीं कैसे कवर करना था ये।
34
ये
वाला
किसने देखना था?
स्लाइस आपने सिर्फ 44 तक बढ़ाया और हिस्से आपने 8 कर दिए. So I would like to see some more financial feasibility. They need to scale up a bit.
Just 14 matches per team is
कराओ double headers
quite a
और
lot, bro.
throw in more double headers in there.
बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है यार
I think करना पड़ेगा
ज्यादा
इनको.
है।
मतलब sometimes I feel like
मतलब
अभी
I-
it felt like a little bit of a drag in the middle. नहीं?
IPL feels like a drag.
IPL
यार,
does.
after
IPL
so
is
many
the best.
seasons.
आप लोग
10
मतलब I don't
teams.
care लोग क्या IPL is fantastic. It's the best
That's
league in the
10
world.
teams who play 14 games
Yeah.
each.
Yeah.
मुझे कभी कभार फील हो रहा होता है कि ये
Drag हो रहा है।
बहुत लंबा चल रहा है यार.
Yeah.
बीच में एक लल तो आ जाता है.
बिल्कुल आ जाता है
Yeah.
और फिर क्राउड्स भी ना हो और वो परफॉर्मेंसेस भी ना आ रही हो तो फिर तो बोरिंग हो जाता है
क्राउड तो एसेंशियल है ना. बट दिस टाइम चलो जो भी tricky times, kudos to the administrators and organizers for pulling this off in these weird times. But going towards the future, ये new era जो है, इसको अगर आपने सही तरह execute करना है तो you need to have all of these things sorted.
Yeah.
And I generally feel like PSL should be looked upon as primarily as a domestic competition for Pakistan's youngsters, and we want to see a Sufyan Mukim every year, right?
I don't know. I think इस podcast से मुझे ये समझ आई है कि बाबर आजम ODI captain, nothing is changing with PSL, and back to T20 captain, and there we go.
Test captain.
Let me ask you a question, and I'm putting you on the spot over here. You followed the PSL.
Yeah.
Give me your T20 team if they had to play tomorrow.
पाकिस्तान की
हाँ.
If you're asking me, I
Chalo, don't give me the team. Give me 5 names that you would definitely have there.
हाँ ये तो ठीक है
That's fair play.
That's a genuine question.
Yeah.
I would have. It's अच्छा सर. Maz. I'd have Maz. I would have.
Sufyan,
Sufyan,
surely.
yeah, Sufyan. No, मैं तो बैट्समैन अभी सोच रहा था कि बैट्समैन किसको खिलाऊं. ठीक है, Sufyan for sure.
उस्मान
उस्मान नहीं भाई. उस्मान ऐसे यार.
कौन है और कीपर
हाँ, उस्मान बनता है. बॉलर्स मैं सोच रहा हूँ बैट्समैन में मतलब who do I want?
यही है ना.
शमाइल हुसैन.
Pool बढ़ाना है ना आपको. अब
Yeah.
देखो, right now Pakistan is.
But I
blessed
wouldn't have
with-
Babar, and I wouldn't have Rizwan, and I wouldn't have. As in just
Shaheen
for
and
just for something new.
Rauf and
You know, like,
You know what you want?
Oh, Haris Rauf, to never again.
You know what you want in an ideal world? You want the PSL to be able to give you a depth chart.
Yeah.
For instance, spinners को ले लेते हैं. Abrar and Usman Tariq were the T20I World Cup spinners. They
Spinners
had
one, but ठीक है.
poor World Cup. Sufyan Mukim is top of the ladder, but he's not the only left-hander spinner. You've got a depth chart over there.
मोमिन कमर
Momin
फैसल
Kamar
अकरम।
and Faisal Akram. अब Momin Kamar का थोड़ा quick action है. Faisal Akram loop देते हैं.
मोमिन कमर is quite similar to Sufyan Mukim
Yeah.
in that sense
In that sense, but Faisal Akram is different because he gives the ball a bit of loop. Sufyan Mukim is quicker in the air.
Better
He's got the
ODI
best wrong gun in Pakistan, and he's more accurate than those guys, I suppose. तो इस तरह आप जज करते हो ना कि मेरे पास ये रोल्स हैं और इन रोल्स में मेरे पास डेप्थ में ये ऑप्शंस हैं.
पेस बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर का सोचो ना फिर
नहीं है ना कोई. शायद अजीज पे आ जाती
To
है
be
गेम.
fair, like pace bowlers भी कितने
नहीं
हमारे
भाई,
पास अच्छे.
राणा जी, जहादाद, अब्बास
और शायद अजीज
और शायद अजीज.
मैं end में
रंधावा,
फहीम खेले.
मोहम्मद शहजाद
रंधावा, शहजाद.
खेलेगा फहीम ही ना end में.
इस वक्त तो वही है.
राणा जी खेले
Yeah, इस वक्त no one has usurped For whom?
अंडर अचीवर है यार, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
नहीं बहुत टैलेंट है
I
भाई.
love Ronaldo.
So basically, same team as last time. Waste of 1 hour. Thank you very much.
After every
Hopefully
PSL, we should be able to make an 11 with proper depth.
Yeah.
इस रोल में भी और 4 लोग.
What's irritating is after every PSL we come back to Shahini खेलेगा, Babri खेलेगा, Fahimi
Options
खेलेगा.
नहीं है ना?
वही ना, as in I want to hear कि there is a
this इस दफा थोड़ी सी पॉजिटिविटी है. लेकिन you've got your Mazes and your Arafat Minhases and your Saad.
But our-
Sammy Minhas.
Sammy Minhas अभी
just to play devil's advocate, 2 years ago this was your Hassan Nawazes and your Saim Ayoubs and your as in हमने बस नाम रिप्लेस करते रहते हैं. हारिस वो साउथ अफ्रीका को मारे थे ना वो
2022 में.
everybody was like जी मिल गया है. इमरान नजीर returns.
You're gonna have to give these fast scorers a bit of more faith.
Yeah.
You lost faith too soon.
थोड़ा सा अपना टेम्पलेट
this
चेंज करने की जरूरत है.
previous cycle. अब माज को बोलो यार, तू हर मैच खेल रहा है T20 वर्ल्ड कप तक, बेशक तू फेल हो. Because what you can do, not everyone can. Simple. You are the freak gear guy. You can score 32 of 12. तू 3 मैचों में मुझे एक दफा तो देना ही है. बस.
चलो, fair enough. Thank you guys. Yeah, thank you guys for taking out the time.
Always a
Lovely
pleasure.
time, lovely
It's
time.
actually a really fun podcast, you know. I think this might be the most I've enjoyed myself on How Does It Work. क्योंकि ये हमने जरा open-ended रखी conversation.
Chalo yaar, thank you guys, and thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed our content, please do subscribe to our channel, and we will see you for the next podcast.